Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing and first impressions of the limited edition Mido Oceanstar Decompression Timer 1961. If that wasn't a mouthful enough, it should also be noted that this is the second version of this throwback watch, following last year's successful black model. I am planning to do a full review of this watch in the not too distant future, so please subscribe if you're interested in seeing that. Mido is part of the Swatch Group these days, and as such, it's probably not surprising this watch is powered by a tweaked version of the ETA C07.621 movement, dubbed the Mido Caliber 80 here. This is a pretty solid 25 joule Swiss-made movement with an 80-hour power reserve. I think though anyone interested in this watch is far more likely to be drawn to the colourful, retro dial than the specs, so let's have a closer look at that. It is a pretty stunning piece in person. The dial is base silver, not white as it may appear in some imagery, which really makes it pop, especially in sunlight. I'll show you a couple of outdoor shots in just a moment. As a package, Mido have done a good job with this one, offering 2 additional straps in the box. Alongside the very nice, polished stainless steel mesh bracelet, you also get a bezel matching turquoise fabric strap and a light brown leather strap. Okay, enough of the box contents. Here's a few glamour shots to finish. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay tuned if you're interested in that full review.